zu Janice Deutsch Podcast. Hello and welcome back to Janice German Podcast. This is day 5 your German learning journey. If you've been following along, you can already greet people, introduce yourself, and say where you're from. Today, we'll learn something super useful, numbers, days, and months, so that you can talk about time, birthdays, and today's date in German. Let's get started. First, let's start with numbers. I'll say the number in German, then in English. Repeat after me, loud and clear. Keycap 1 1. Keycap 2 2. 2. Keycap 3 3. Keycap 4 4. 5 5 6 7. Oct 8 noon 9 10. Perfect. Now let's continue from 11 to 20. Elf 11 12 12 13. 13. 14 15 16. 18 18 19 20. Hands clapping, super. You just learned how to count from 1 to 20 in German. Now, let's learn the days of the week. Repeat after me slowly. Montag, Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag, Saturday. Sonntag, Sunday. In Germany, the week starts with Montag, Monday, not Sunday. Let's repeat them all together once more. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Perfect. Next, we have the months of the year. You'll notice that many of them sound like English, just with a German twist. Repeat after me. Januar, January. February, February. Mars, March. April to April. Mai, May. Juni, June. July, July. August, August. September to September. October, October. November to November. December, December. Easy, right? Now you can talk about months, birthdays, and seasons in German. Let's use what we've learned in a few simple sentences. Repeat after me. Heute ist Montag, today is Monday. Heute ist der 3. Oktober, today is the 3rd of October. Mein Geburtstag ist im Mai, my birthday is in May. Es ist Freitag, der 10. Mai, it is Friday, the 10th of May. Excellent, you're now ready to talk about days and dates in German. Okay, mini quiz time. I'll ask you a question, and you try to answer out loud. Right finger question 1. Wie viele Tage hat eine Woche? How many days are in a week? Answer. 7. 7. Right finger question 2. Wie heißt der dritte Monat des Jahres? What's the third month of the year? Answer. Mars, March. Was ist heute? What is today? You can answer. Heute ist Dienstag, der 8. Oktober. Today is Tuesday, the 8th of October. Fantastic job. You're already thinking in German. Write today's date in German on a piece of paper. For example, heute ist der 7. October 2025. Then say it out loud 3 times. You can also try counting objects around you in German, like pens, books, or cups. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. Tomorrow, in day 4, we'll learn how to ask and answer simple questions in German, like wie geht's? How are you? And wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Bis morgen. See you tomorrow. Tschüss und viel Erfolg beim Lernen. Bye and good luck with your learning. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content and encouraging me to make more such podcasts.